In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a landing page on Samcart in just 5 minutes. Whether you're creating a landing page to promote a product, capture leads, or inform your audience, Samcart offers a streamlined process that can save you time and effort. First, let's start by opening up your web browser and heading over to Samcart's website. If you already have an account, you'll want to log in using your credentials. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left-hand menu and locate the Pages tab. Clicking on this will take you to a section where you can manage all your existing pages and, more importantly, create new ones. In the Pages section, look towards the top right corner of your screen to find the Create New button. Clicking this button will open a drop-down menu. From here, select Landing Page to kick off the creation process. This is where the magic begins. The first thing you'll want to do is enter a client-facing name for your landing page. This name should be intuitive and reflective of the page's purpose, as it will help you identify the page in the future. Once you've done that, it's time to choose a template. Samcart offers a variety of templates designed to fit different needs. Each template can be previewed beforehand to ensure it aligns with your vision. With a template selected, you're ready to edit. Samcart's editor is quite user-friendly, allowing you to modify sections by clicking on them in the left-hand editor. Each section can be tailored with the content of your choice, including text, images, and videos. You have the flexibility to delete parts you don't need or add new elements that enhance your message. If you wish to add more sections to your landing page, look for the blue plus icon. It allows you to seamlessly insert new sections, giving you the creative freedom to expand your page as required. Additionally, Samcart provides an AI mode feature to assist you in writing compelling content should you need a little nudge. Scrolling down to the Settings option, you can incorporate tracking pixels or HTML scripts, which are essential for analytics and tracking the performance of your landing page. Once you feel your landing page is spot on, it's time to make it live. Simply click the Publish button. This will officially launch your page, making it accessible to your audience. After publishing, a URL will be generated for your landing page. You can copy this URL and share it wherever you intend to drive traffic to your newly created page. Congratulations! You have successfully built a landing page on Samcart. Whether you're a marketing pro or a business owner wearing many hats, this streamlined process ensures you can easily engage your audience and achieve your online goals.